Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Christina. If you are new here, I do honest beauty and I do all kinds of content, unboxings of all different kinds. And today we are going to be unbagging the Lux S.B subscription bag. Lux S.B stands for Luxury Scent Box. Perfume. Yes. If you are a perfume addict, a perfume connoisseur, then this is going to be the perfect subscription for you. This is absolutely amazing, especially if you travel, if you are school aged in college, if you have a job, if you like to shove things in your purse, this is absolutely amazing. Or if you just like to try out different fragrances, hence the perfume addict. This is one of my favorite ways to get perfumes. Now, my sign up link is going to be down below. Actually, it's not my sign up link, it's LUXSB.com, and you are going to use Christina Taylor for, what is it? You're going to get your first ever, if you're brand spanking new, you're going to get your first bag, this thing, for $9.97. Yes. And it's a little lengthy the first time you sign up. You sign up and you go on there and you fill out all of your information. Now, there's different ways that you can do this. You can take the scent quiz and you can do all of that, and you can have them pick your scent for you. Just tell them, a little bit about what scent you wear every day and all that. Or you can pick it for yourself, or you can pick it for your husband, your sons, your mothers, your sisters. Mother's Day is coming up. Get a mother in your life, your sisters, your aunts, whatever. Get it as a gift. Get it as a gift for you. If you know the name of the fragrance, that's great. If you don't know the name of the fragrance, they also have the picture of the actual full-size bottles on there. So you can just scroll through there. It's super simple to sign up. It's it's amazing. I love it. And they have over 700 different types of fragrances, and they're adding new ones constantly. And they have luxury brands and niche brand, like indie, is it niche? You know what I mean. So, let's get my paperwork out, and I'm going to show you everything there is to know about Lux S.B. Now, they are advertising a new fragrance, Mason Sybarite 720 for her and him. It's a Paris fragrance, and this is what they look like. French perfume brand created by master perfumers. First water-based, alcohol-free, fine fragrances with a milky texture using new technology. So there's that. Let's see, head notes, birch, tar, and lavender. Heart notes, cardamom, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Base notes, ambrox, tonka bean, patchouli, and cedarwood. Let's get our fragrances out. And they come in these little boxes right here. This is what they look like. It says Lux S.B on one side, and on the other it says Love Life with Perfume. And you just twist it up, and there's where you're going to spray it, and you just spray. And if you want to see what the name, all the perfume information is going to be right here. And this is when, if it's empty, you just toss this, keep this, and you will refill it just like that. Now, let's see. We have Marc Jacobs Daisy Love, made in the USA. This one smells absolutely amazing. I love this. What do you guys think about my new background? That video is coming up soon. If it's not already on here. I don't know which one I'm going to put up first. And the second one is Coach Floral. Oh, I love this. Oh, it smells so good. I'm so glad they sent me a new one, because I ran out. I had the full size that I had for a long time that my husband bought me. Oh, I'm so glad. I love Coach perfumes. And this one is Escada Miami Blossom, made in the UK. I haven't tried this one yet. This one is a sweet fragrance. It is a sweet. It's not like grotesquely sweet, like sweet too sweet, but it is a very sweet fragrance. And as it dries down, sorry, I'm shaking the table. Yeah, it's staying sweet, and you can kind of smell a hint of flowers, but it is a very, I was going to put it in the box. That is a very sweet and floral scent, but mainly a sweet fragrance. And what did I say that one was? That was Escada by Miami Blossom. So I like that one. That one's a really, really good one. And then I wanted to tell you what the Coach Floral smells like. I'm going to put it on this arm. That one's not sweet. This one smells more like a rose. Like, this is definitely a flower scent. It's like when you stick your nose right there in the middle of a flower, you just get that flower smell. There is nothing else I can smell in this but just a flower. And it smells very good. I like this one. This is definitely spring. The Coach is definitely a spring scent. Now, where am I going to spray this one? Now, the Marc Jacobs Daisy Love. Let's just spray it in the box. Because how many perfumes can I wear at the same time? Ooh, this is different. I'm going to have to think on this one a minute. It's vanilla is the first scent that I can smell. And then baby powder. Is that a weird combination? It's like a clean vanilla scent. Yeah, like a clean vanilla. Is that what a daisy smells like? This is a very clean smell. Maybe if you left a drop of vanilla in a bowl of baby powder in the sun. Does that make sense to anybody? It smells really, really good. It's really refreshing. I like this. But that's what I smell. Like the very first thing is a hint of vanilla. And then I'm getting a hint of baby powder. But it's not flowery. I don't know. Is that what a daisy smells like? I don't know if I've ever smelled a daisy. Or if I have, it's been a while. But it does smell really fresh and really refreshing, if that makes any sense at all. I mean, because I just don't want to smell them and tell you guys, yeah, that smells good. You guys need a description of the scent. I really like that. If I have to pick, I can't pick my favorite out of these three, because I definitely would wear them at different times. Now, I don't know. These are perfect for spring. These three scents are really perfect for spring coming up. These are airy. They're light. They're very refreshing scents. And like I demonstrated for you, you twist to open, you pull to remove this, and all of your perfume information is on the vial. Then you would replace it, twist it to close. It's safe to throw it in your bag, your purse, your makeup bag, your suitcase, what have you. They're very durable. They do not leak. I have 2 of these in my bag, in my in an Ipsy bag inside my purse right now. I constantly have a perfume with me. I am a perfume fanatic. I absolutely love these perfumes. They come in handy. I have so many of different types of fragrances. Like I said, they have over 700 of them. They are 30 milliliters. I believe they are 30 milliliters. They are, well, now I can't see. They're 30 milliliter vials. They are one of the largest you will get out of a subscription box for perfume. What else do I need to tell you? It's very easy to sign up. The link will be down below in the description box. You get a discount using my code, which all of that information will be down below also. On your very first sign up, I highly recommend it. And searching on the website, it's really fun, especially if you like fragrances, colognes, what have you. They're very handy to have around. Get it for your husband, get it for your son, you know, gym bags, whatever, glove box, you know, wherever men would like to put one, just to refresh, you know. They like them too, you know. They might not admit it, but it comes in handy for them. You know, guys get kind of stinky during the day, you know, so they need to refresh. And Mother's Day's coming up. It is about time that we start thinking about mothers in our lives, and this makes a perfect gift for a mom. A perfect gift. Can't go wrong with perfume. And shop the link down below. So there we go. 3 wonderful fragrances for spring. Absolutely wonderful. And they're pretty too. Thank you guys for watching. I do hope you would subscribe before you go. And what do you guys think about the background? There's another one underneath there. Check out that video. That's fun. I will talk to you guys in the next one. See you later.